I've got to repair this first. You want to play with Pumba? You want to play with Pumba? Yeah? Okay, but I have to repair it first. You've already killed it. Right, let's repair it. Yes, you want to play with Pumba? Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, Mommy will fix it. Just a minute. Wait, just a minute. Come on, just a minute, Leon. I need to fix it. Yes, we need to fix your Pumba first. Right, Pumba's resuscitated. What's this, Leon? It's only been 5 minutes since I fixed the booty. Wait. No, wait. 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 Wait a minute. Okay. I bet you this one's the next one to go, isn't it?
Kind of, maybe.
Shall I cut these off as well? Okay, nearly there. Okay, just a second. What just happened? Yes. Interesting. Stop, Leon.